Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we're doing a special unboxing, a surprise unboxing I think. Something coming in from Stacey's Bolstered Blades. I have no idea what she's sending me. She always sends me some really cool stuff, so it's got to be something cool. So let's take a look together. All right, today I'm opening up my Stacey Bolstered Blades surprise with my Zorn in satin finish and the drop point with a hollow grind. Fantastic little knife, by the way. I have no idea what she sent. This is a total surprise. All right, here we go. All right. Hey there, Rob. I had a few giveaways on my Discord server, and Jasper and the knife nerd won and wanted me to gift it to you. It's not much, but I'm sure he'd be okay to put it in your giveaways. Hope you're having a great day. Take care, Stacey. Oh, thank you, Stacey. Ooh, we got some more stickers. I love these stickers. I put one up. These are really cool. And I get people asking for these stickers, Stacey, by the way. You got to know that. People really like these. And yep, she signs it too, which is cool. Life without a knife is dull and pointless. So true. So true. We all need a good knife. Ooh, and this is another sticker here. Oh. We got issuing stitches, handmade goods. So this looks like, we're going to take a look at that. Ooh, we got a DTM patch. That's nice. We've got a little pin. Oh, that's crazy. Ren and Stimpy. I remember that show. Oh, and a little fixed blade. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's a dagger. I remember him talking about this. This is really cool. This will be a fun giveaway. I've never had one of these knives. You know, we'll take a look at it, right? Oh, we got a little Grizzle Bear Leather Crafting. Jesus loves you. I love that. And a big red EDC. Jesus loves you. Oh, Rebel Rouser 777. The Veteran Challenge coin. These are so cool. These are so cool. And a little i3E EOS light. Man, I need to get some of these for myself. All right, let's see what else we have here. Bonus gift. A hobby with friends is a business with is not a business with customer. Veteran owned content stickers. Baggage strap. Okay, so we'll look at that. Looks like it's a little kind of a kit thing. And we'll put this off to the side. So what do we have here? We got a bunch of stickers. You know I love stickers. I love stickers. Always include them in the giveaways. What do we have here? Be Up. Okay, Be Up. Be Up. Mallory Designs. Love that. Knife Nice. Mallory Designs. Stacey Bolstered Blades. Bluminati Ninja. Custom stickers by Hub City Stickers. Don't know who that is, but it's cool. It's a reindeer. I like that. What do we have here? Wee Knife Company. That's a cool sticker. I don't think I've ever... Oh, wait. It's a Wee and a Civivi on both sides. Okay, there we go. Big Red EDC. Appreciate JB. Kaiser Knives. Very cool. Gons EDC. Love that. Swipe Right for Dylan. That's Dylan Mallory, by the way. Zach Stuff. Love Zach Stuff. Oh, look, I got one of my stickers back. Rob's Nerdy Knives. There we go. All right, I got one, a Brian BEDC. And then we've got free knives tomorrow. Metal Relic. This is such a cool sticker. I like his orange one. It's one of those really kind of dark, but very bright, but dark, but very happy. Dark, but very, looked like menacing, but very bright. I don't know. It's kind of it's a perfect mix of colors. It's crazy. Jimmy Crow Blades. All right, there we go. That's cool. Barbie EDC Girl. Barbie Chambers EDC Girl. Mad Yoko. I haven't had a Mad Yoko sticker in a while. Glow Rhino. Oh, they got new stickers. I don't think I've seen those before. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Right around Christmas. That's cool. Go move this out of the way. JD for EDC. Love that. Kelly's Paracord. If you don't know who she is, Kelly's Mishmash. Happy Halloween from Traditional Pocket Knives. I might be getting something in from them tomorrow. Let's Get High and Centered Pelvic Bone. This is OCD for EDC. Just you can imagine what that is. We'll leave it at that. Olight.com. So that's Olight. Looks like something that came with a light. And then we have another Olight. Looks like another sticker. Yeah. All right. So what is this right here? Don't know if this opens up and we can look at it or if it's closed. If it's closed, I'm not going to open it. Does it open? It does. Okay, so it's like a, okay. So it's another bonus sticker. So we've got, don't know what that one is. I think I should know what that is. Baked in Colorado. 50 Ways. Oh, 50 Ways Hanks. Yeah. Rebel Rouser 777. Kaiser. I actually had that sticker when it first came out. 50 Ways, another 50 Ways sticker. SK EDC with the shark fin. Stacey Bolstered Blades, one of her little guys. Divo Knives. Might be getting something in from Divo. What do we got here? Do something kind for someone. Oh. Big Red EDC, but probably something to do with Zach. Another JD for EDC, so we got 2. And a Vero Engineering. That's really cool. These are pretty cool little lights. I got one of these, was given to me, not as for a giveaway. My wife acquired it. And I opened it because at first I had never checked it out. And she liked it so much, she put it on her keychain. So I'm going to try to get some more. I'd like to get one for myself. This is cool. I got to see what this guy is. This looks interesting. What do we got here? This is pretty cool. Thank you, Stacey Bolstered Blades. Please go check her out. I'll have her link. She has a Discord down below. I'll make sure it's in the description down below. So if you're not familiar with Stacey Bolstered Blades, I will post her Discord channel in the description down below. And you can reach out to her and any other links she has. I think she might have an Instagram page, and I think she has a YouTube channel too. So I don't know if she's doing subscribers there. I know her Discord is a rockin' happening place. So she's actually one of my Discord admins too, by the way, because she knows stuff better than I do. All right, so this is Ren and Stimpy. That's cool. I remember these guys. They were funny. I know that's crazy, but I really loved them when I was younger. They were so inappropriate because they were always kind of gross, you know. But I liked them. I liked them. So this looks like it's a Hank. So let's see what we got here. Issuing Stitches. All right, so this is a smaller Hank, but it's still really nice. Look at that. Chewbacca, the Jedi Knights, Yoda. All right, Han Solo. I'm in it for the money. That's cool, and it's nice soft cloth in the back here. And this is Issuing Stitches Handmade Company. So very, very cool. So thank you to Stacey Bolstered Blades and all these wonderful things. And then we've got, this looks like it's got a little side belly, and you can pull it out. So there you go. There you go. Nice little blade. Don't know how sharp that is. It doesn't feel terribly sharp. You could sharpen it if you wanted to, but it's definitely a cool little knife. I think it's supposed to be more like, you know, protect your Slurpees at a 7-Eleven kind of knife. So I think that's cool. Again, I love Rebel Rouser. Where is the sticker? Right here. He's the one who donated these, and I'm sure he's the one who donated these to Stacey as well. These are super cool. Whoever wins this, now some of the stickers I may take out and put some other stickers in. Some, you know, maybe a couple more mine and some other things. Maybe we could just make this just a separate giveaway, certainly. But I do want to keep a few stickers so that I can spread them out. But if you win this, this is meant to be a veteran challenge coin. So if you're a veteran, this would be for you, right? But if you're not a veteran and you won this, the challenge would be for you to find the veteran to thank him for their service, okay? So that's the challenge there. I do like the little sticker pack here. It looks like a traditional pocket knives, a little sticker pack that comes over here like this, and I'm supposed to be getting something in from them. I like Mallory Designs. I checked out one of his knives recently, and I bought his Karas. That was a really good knife. That was a really good knife. That was a good knife to check out and to review. I ended up selling it because I had to cover some costs of some other things, but I love the knife. It's highly recommended, and it's a favorites for me for sure. So definitely think it's something you should go check out. But I like his design style, and this is fun. This is really cool. This is super cool. This is really cool, super cool. These are all super really cool. I love Do Something Kind for Someone Else. This one, the Big Red, and 50 Ways. Hanks, he does some great stuff. And then SK EDC, he has that shark fin. Definitely want to go check them out. All right, thank you so much, Stacey Bolstered Blades. I appreciate you passing this along, and we will do this giveaway in honor of you. So when we do that, I will thank you as I'm thanking you here, and I'll make sure I'll have a link for your stuff down below. I know to your Discord, if your like YouTube channel and your Instagram are pages that you're taking subscribers on, I'll post those as well. Otherwise, definitely your Discord, go check her out. Please go sign up for a Discord. Definitely worth someone going checking out. There we go. Thank you again, Stacey Bolstered Blades. I appreciate you very much. If you found this content fun, interesting, entertaining, just neat, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does help me out. It really does. Allows me to do more things, produce more content, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to you guys out there. Appreciate you who watch the video as part of the community. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to all of my channel members. I appreciate you so very much. You guys do two amazing things for me. By being members, you encourage me. You really do. There are times I think I kept going because of you guys, and so I know it is. And so I want to say thank you. Secondly, through your generous support, because of your generous support, you're allowing me to do things sooner than I thought I could. Like we have a once a week budget banger giveaways. I'm able to cover the cost of shipping. Boy, it has added up this month. And so that's a huge thank you to you guys. I really appreciate that. So I want to do two things for you. One, brand new channel members. Email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. All brand new channel members, right? Secondly, all members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we have a budget banger giveaway, and then 1 week in a month, there'll be a budget banger giveaway plus a members exclusive giveaway. And members, you're eligible for both of them. You could win both. All right, you're not excluded because there's a members giveaway from the regular giveaway. Just know that. That's my small way to say thank you. If any of that sounds really interesting and cool, there is a link down below in the description on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't feel pressured. Don't do it because of any of that. Do it because you want to. And if you choose to do so, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. And some of you guys are saying, hey, I thought there's more. Yeah, there is special stickers, special emojis for comments like in the videos, in the live stream. There is kazoo salutes. Absolutely lots of kazoo salutes on anniversaries. There is 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary celebrations. There is exclusive members content. So all of that is absolutely true just for you guys. It's my small way to say thank you. I could never say thank you enough, but it's a small way for me to say thank you for your kindness and for everything you do. All right, well, I appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, maybe consider checking me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.